Konnichiwa. This is Oliver from the Jewelsmith. Thanks for joining me today. Today on the Jewelsmith Designs, we're going to make a split shank ring and we're going to go over a few more functions. We're going to do project to C-plane, rotate with copy, and join. So if you're ready, let's go. We'll start with a circle, F4, 17.3 millimeters, which is a size 7 finger size. And then we'll come up here and let's do an arc. Get my O-snap on. We'll make it 2.5 millimeters. And then I don't like the width on this, so let's select these control points here. And then make it a little more narrow. There you go. Now I'm going to draw a little polyline right here, just so that we can blend this area together and it makes it more uniform. But if you look over here, these two are not on the same plane. So we need to draw that down, project it down to the C or construction plane. So let me select this. A couple of ways to do it. We can go up here to transform, and down here is project to C plane. The transform icon over here is also project to C plane, or we can just PRO, project to C plane. We enter, we will delete it, and then it drops down. Now you can see that they're both on the construction plane. All right, now I can go to my curve tool here and adjustable curve blend from here to here, enter, and it just makes a smooth blend. All right. So by now we all know how to mirror this over to the other side. Select it, F5, F4, mirror it. There you go. And then let's select everything and join everything together. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to get a rail that is going to follow the finger rail, but also have this shape. So the way we'll do this is curve from two views. So in curves, we'll go down, curve from two views here. There's a curve from two views right here. Or of course you can type it in there. CRV, two views. So we'll select the first curve and select the second curve. And that's what we get. All right, well, we don't need this bottom one or this middle one, so we can delete this, and delete that. All right, let me change the color so it's not confusing. All right. Now what we need is a profile so that we can run the sweep again. So let's just make it round. Let's make it, let me get my O-snap and I'll snap it here. And then make it 1 millimeter. Okay. Now we'll move it from this point to the very end here. All right. And now, again, F5, F4 to mirror that over. Now we've got two cross-section curves or two profiles that we can sweep. So again, you can do sweep here or here. Or here. But I've got it in my pop-up menu, so I don't need to do that. So we'll find the rail. And then select the first profile, the second profile, enter, and then make sure the seams are hidden. So we'll swing this around here. And then this one over here to this midpoint. And it's okay if they're facing each other because this curve actually changes direction here. So let's hit enter, and then that's what we have. All right. So let's hide this. And now let's concentrate on this curve here. What we're going to do is we're going to make a profile for the bottom of the shank by joining it and trimming it. Oops. Let me get this piece here. And now, while it's selected, we will join it and make sure that over here it says closed curve, so you don't have problems later on. All right, the fun part. There's a couple of ways that we can make profiles here at 6 o'clock and here around the 9 o'clock. I like easy, like Sunday morning, so that's what I'm going to show you. Is we're going to, of course, mirror this one over. So let's go F5, F4, and then ortho. So that's done. And for this, we can't rotate it because it's not on the 45 degrees. So if I were to swing this down 90 degrees, it is wrong. Okay? So what do? We got to move it. So let's go here into perspective. We'll copy it from here to the quad. And then we can come down here from the front view, select it, and we can rotate it from there. So now we can snap to it, rotate it 90 degrees, and we're good. All right. So now let's sweep it. Let's select the sweep one rail from my pop-up. Ring rail, cross-section, cross-section. And then, again, let's put all the seams on the inside. But make sure they're facing the same direction so we don't end up twisting our surface. All right, enter OK, and that's what we have. All right, let me bring back the split. And what do we do here? Yep, mirror it over. F5, F4. And that's what we have. Now we can join him. And let me select curves and then hide all the curves. There you go. All right. So that's the beginning of your design there. This split shank is used in a lot of modern designs. We can put a stone here. We can run stones around. We can make it any shape we want to. Or if you've got a really big toe, you can use it as a toe ring. So, well, thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when my new episodes come online. Until then, may the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus.